Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to make this timeline in Word and then save it out as a JPEG and a PNG file to allow you to use it wherever you like on different pieces of software. So I'm going to open a new document and I'm going to go to Layout, Orientation, Landscape, then go to Insert, Text Box, Draw Text Box. I'm just going to draw a text box and go over to the height here. I want this text box to be 5 high and 4 wide. Press enter. Then I'm going to put some text in and then I'm going to adjust these margins. I'm just going to go to Shape Format, Format Pane, go to this icon. The top margin I'm just going to make bigger and also the left margin. So now I'm just going to change the colour of this box. Go to Shape Format. I'm going to select my recent colours. And then outline, take off the outline. Go to Insert, Pictures, Picture from File, select an image, click Insert, go to Wrap Text, in front of text, over to the width, press 4, and then we can move that down below here. Now I want this to be 2.5 centimeters high, so go to Crop, click at the bottom, move it up until it's 2.5. You may not be able to hit exactly, but around about 2.5. Then hold down the Command and Control key to select both elements. Go to Align, Align to Center. Once I've done that, I'm going to actually merge these two together. So go to Group and select Group. Now that's all grouped together. And go to Insert, Shapes, go to the square, click and draw out a rectangle. Go to Shape Fill and select No Fill. Go to Outline, go to Grey, go back to Outline, go to Weight and select 2 1/4. Go up to Height, click 8, Width 4.5 and press Enter. Then remaining on this square, go to Send Backwards, Send to Back. That will allow us to select both elements. Hold down the Command and Control key and select both elements. Align, Align to Center, Align, Align to Middle. Then go to Group and select Group. Now for these sections at the bottom, go to Insert, Shapes, and then just click on the basic shape, click and draw out a rectangle. Again, go to Shape, select Grey, take off the outline, and then make sure the width over here is 0.13 and press Enter. Then go to Insert, Shapes, Circle, hold down your Shift key to draw a circle, otherwise you'll draw an oval. And then again go to Shape Fill, you can just click as it's grey already, and go to Outline, click on the rectangle and the circle, go to Group and select Group, then select the element above, select Group and group it together. Now to copy and paste, hold down the Alt Option key, click and drag, and one more time. I'm going to move this box to roughly about here, as I'm going to have another box here. I'm going to select all of the boxes, go to Align and distribute them equally, and then Align, Align to Top, and then group them together. Hold down the Alt Option key, click and drag, and just move those up. Then deselect, reselect this bottom row and move it so that it intersects with the top row. Then go to Group, Ungroup, and then ungroup again, because we've got to move these, turn them around 180, move them to the box, select the box as well, so you've selected them both, make sure they're aligned to the center, and then group them together, and do that with all of these at the bottom. Once you're happy, group all the boxes together and select Group. And then we can just move them up and down so that they are in line with the others. You see something's happened here, so let's ungroup that. Let's move that down. Clearly forgotten to group them together. There we go. And then just to insert the bar, so let's go back down to the rectangle. Again, Fill that with grey and take the outline off. Make sure it's at 0.13. Press enter. Deselect it, then reselect it. Use those arrow keys to make sure it's in the center of the balls or the circles. Once you're happy, we just need to go ahead and change the information, the color, and the images. So I'm going to leave the information as it is, but in order to change the rest, we're going to have to ungroup everything, keep ungrouping until you can see that the text and the image are two separate elements. So let's go ahead. Then I'm just going to delete all of the images. I'm going to change the color of these boxes, select it, shape format, shape fill, and select your next color. To insert the photo, go to Insert, Picture, Picture from File, select your image, click Insert, and then go to Wrap Text in front of text. Now for some reason this is inserted as a small size, so let's go up to width and then let's type in 4, press enter, and then select crop, and then just move it up to 2.5 or as near as. Select the two, text box and image, align to center, and for this particular diagram I'm going to put a nice white line between them to separate the photos. So select the image, go to Format pane, go to the bucket icon, go to Line, Solid Line, pick white from the color, and here type 5 and press enter. And then you can do the same with all of your images. White's already been selected so that you can just type in 5. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for the rest of the images. Once you're happy, I'm just going to select all of these images, go to Align, Align to bottom, just to make sure they're all lined up. Then once it's created, select anything, go to Shape Format and go to Selection pane and select the bottom one. You can see everything's been selected. Go to Picture Format, select Group, and everything will be grouped together. To make sure it's aligned, go to Align to Center and Align to Middle. Now you can save that out as a Word document, but if you want to save it as a JPEG or PNG, just select the image, right click, go down to Save as Picture. Then at the bottom here you can choose PNG or a JPEG and then just click Save. The beauty of doing that, if I open a new document, go to Insert, Picture, Picture from File. We've got this PNG here, click Insert. The beauty with this is I can now resize it. I can move it, I can use it as an image in any document. If I go back to my original, if I try to resize this, just look at the text, you can see it distorts. So it's best if you want to use this for something else is to export it as a PNG. If you don't want to do all of this, then I'll leave a link in the description below where you can download this file. So I hope that's helped you today. If it has, please like and subscribe and have a great day.